What's up, guys? I hope everyone's having an awesome day. I hope everyone's doing well. Today's a pretty special day. I actually just received a package about an hour ago from Turtle Wax, so let's go ahead and get started right after this. All right, so let's go ahead and open this up. So I got my trusty shuriken. Box. There we go. There it goes. All right. So let's see what we got. Okay, right off the bat, we got a card with all of the information on here. Some of the information, we're just showing their new products. So that's cool. We got a new hat. Oh, that's awesome. Look at that. That's so cool. Thank you, Turtle Wax. Really appreciate it. Okay, we have the new glass cleaner. I'm really enjoying these spray bottles. I have the interior detail cleaner in my truck. I'm still using that. I just leave it in my truck, so I'm really excited. I'm excited to actually try this out. It's awesome. Let's see this. Okay, this is a ceramic graphene inside job. Here we go, and these are all new products. So thank you, Turtle Wax. Really do appreciate this. Okay, a new one, awesome. Another one, actually. Man, this stuff works awesome. I've used it on so many of the family vehicles, so this is pretty cool. I really do like this stuff. It's awesome, smells great. Graphene acrylic tire shine. I'm really interested in this to see how long this actually lasts. So I'll be doing demos on all of these products. So this is a tire shine spray coating. Pretty cool. And then we have Hyperfoam wheel cleaner and tire prep. Here we go, right here. So this, yeah, I'll actually be doing a demo on this one pretty soon, since I have a vehicle that I have not washed in about 3 months. So this will be good to try out. Try it out on the wheels and the tires. So that's pretty cool. We got a sticker. Nice. We have, man, how exciting is this stuff? Rapid decon technology, wheel cleaner and iron remover. So this is wheel cleaner and iron remover. And I've seen on some of the demos already that you know, you can use this on your vehicle as well. So that's awesome. Man, a lot of cool innovative stuff right here. And then get my all right. Slick and Slide Polymer Pure Wash. So this is a hybrid solution, Slick and Slide. That's awesome. In a pretty good size, so that's cool. Try it out in the foam cannon. That's so awesome. Very, very cool. All right, guys, so I want to give another shout out to Turtle Wax. Thank you guys so much for including me in this and allowing me to try these different products. I'm really, really excited and stoked to see how these products actually work. And so far, the products that have been coming out have been excellent. I really love them, and you guys are really taking it up. So that's so awesome, and I'm glad to be a part of it along with other YouTubers and stuff like that. So thank you guys very much. Really appreciate it. All right, guys, if you like the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as the like button. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. Hope everyone has an awesome day. Take care.